Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and of course we're going to get into this hair that I'm currently rocking. So for this video we are going to be featuring RPGSHOW wig. If you're not familiar with RPGSHOW wig, they have been around for quite some time, established in 2006. They collaborate with a lot of hairstylists to create custom collections of wigs. So the wig that I have today is JAHY001. This is in the texture silky, 18 inches in length. The hair color is brown with blonde highlights, and I have it in a cap size 2, which is circumference 22.5 to 23, and I have it in 200 density. My lace is tinted light brown, and this is a Swiss lace. So this is my first time working with RPGSHOW wig, and I have to say that I was blown away. Right away, I was blown away. Okay, so when I received the package, I did a cute little unboxing video. I will insert that here, but your box comes in a dust bag. Once you slide it out of the dust bag, you have this real cute, is this croc print? You have this real cute like croc print box. Once you open the box, you have your wig inside. It is packaged very neatly. The key point is that this is ready to wear. This wig is pre-plucked. As I stated, the lace is already tinted. The knots are bleached. This hair is washed. This is a lazy girl's best friend. You can literally install this right out of the box. So for this video, we're going to get into the install. You'll see how easy it was for me to install this hair. But I also wanted to talk to you a little bit about the quality of the hair. This wig is priced a little higher than the wigs that I usually review, but I'm going to tell you why I feel like it's worth it. So this wig is available in inches 14 all the way up to 20. You can also modify the color depending on preference. You can also choose whether you want it pre-plucked or you want it plucked heavily. So you can also choose the color that you want your lace tinted. You can also get this in different cap constructions. So you can get a 13x6 or 13x4. I have a 13x6. So as you can see, this part goes back so deep. I love it. Like I'm just now remembering why I really like a 13x6. You're not stuck with that shallow part. So enough about that. The quality of the hair. One thing that stood out to me was every strand on this wig is about the same length. Hair is thick from the lace and the weft all the way down to the end. So the 200 density, this is very full, true to length quality. So after spending money like this, if you wanted to wear this every day for the rest of the year, you could, because now you don't have to worry about breakage and shedding, and that's when the wig starts to wear down and you have to replace it. So first initial thoughts, I feel like this is definitely an investment wig, something you want to invest in. I absolutely am in love with this color, the texture. It kind of reminds me of raw hair. I did a review on some raw hair a few years back, and it's very similar. Love it. RPGSHOW, you did your thing when it comes to this wig. I will have all the links down in the description box if you guys are interested in checking her out. So for the rest of the video, you're just going to see me install this as a glueless wig. I also show you a few different styles that you can achieve with this wig. So yeah, I want to thank you beauties for watching. Thank you RPGSHOW for sponsoring this video, and I will see you beauties in the next one.
Yeah. It's only my third day out here. I don't know.
Yo.